And in Bolivia, a new vaccination campaign was launched through the rapid monitoring system to detect infants and children who have not yet been immunized against a score of diseases. Our correspondent Freddy Morales with the details.
Se inició el llamado monitoreo rápido.
The so-called rapid vaccination monitoring was initiated to reach almost 60,000 children under 5 years of age who, for whatever reason, did not receive their vaccination doses last year.
It is in the urban areas where we are not achieving a higher coverage, but this is because of the high migration we have from urban to rural or vice versa. But generally in rural areas, all the families are well known by the health personnel. They know their name, their last name, how old they are, and they are more identified, but in urban areas it is more difficult.
El monitoreo rápido permitirá evaluar.
Rapid monitoring will make it possible to evaluate immunization coverage in the 9 departments, and almost 4,000 brigadistas will be deployed in this campaign.
Our coverage is in the 75% range. We aim to raise that to 85 to 95%. That's our goal.
La campaña consiste en verificar.
The campaign consists of checking, house by house, the status of children's vaccination records.
When we do a rapid vaccination monitoring, we go and look for children who might have escaped from that age group and who might be older. We would have to go and recover them, vaccinating these children, in order to avoid the risk of transmission of diseases such as measles, due to the epidemiological alerts that are issued at the international level.
La campaña antivacunas que se manifestó.
Health professionals consider that the anti-vaccine campaign that manifested itself during the COVID pandemic has been overcome, which can be verified in daily consultations.
In this time, the COVID vaccines have been very important. Now I have had 7 patients who have passed COVID, but they are not in serious condition. They had to be taken to therapy as they were totally discomposed. Now it is like a cold, but they have to be treated. Vaccinations have lowered that level of lethality that COVID had.
El monitoreo rápido de vacunación se realiza en.
Rapid vaccination monitoring is carried out in the country's 340 municipalities. The state provides the 12 doses to be applied between birth and 5 years of age, which prevent 20 diseases. Vaccinations are also offered free of charge for senior citizens and vulnerable groups against COVID and influenza.
Freddy Morales, teleSUR, Bolivia.